Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Tesla. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Tesla as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.17. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 20.04% since we first listed Tesla as a buy candidate 8 days ago. This translates to an average return of 2.51% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock currently sits at the upper part of a very wide and weak rising trend in the short term. This situation may present an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout at the upper trend line, currently at $350.38, would initially indicate a stronger rate of increase. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 7.51% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 26.70% to positive 10.18%. When considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of around 35.58%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 5.72% to positive 113.46% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $322.34 and $729.83. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, Tesla stock price down 2.31% on Monday. The Tesla stock price fell by 2.31% on the last day, Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, from $349.98 to $341.91. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.89%, with a day low at $333.38 and a day high of $343. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 22% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a positive sign, as volume should align with the stock's movement. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 4 million shares, with a total of 87 million shares exchanged for approximately $29.84 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $488.54, while the lowest was $167.41. Currently, the price is 30.01%, or $146.63, below the 52-week high of $488.54. Which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Tesla's stock, TSLA, has recently dropped after 4 consecutive weeks of gains, reflecting investor caution amid a broader market decline triggered by Moody's downgrading of United States credit. This drop, more than 2% in the initial trading hours, demonstrates the direct impact macroeconomic factors can have on stock price in the short term. Despite this recent setback, Tesla had shown promise, bolstered by positive trade news that had previously outweighed disappointing sales figures, particularly in European and Chinese markets. Looking long-term, Tesla's ventures beyond electric vehicles could be crucial. Their growth in energy sectors, exemplified by the Megapack business, positions Tesla to diversify revenue streams, potentially stabilizing the company's financial outlook and mitigating the effects of current market volatility. Additionally, the prospect of Tesla and Lyft becoming rivals in the burgeoning ride-share market introduces a new competitive dynamic that could further influence stock performance. While the recent stock decline may raise concerns for short-term investors, The fundamentals suggest a focus on Tesla's innovative growth strategies could lead to recovery and appreciation in the stock value over a longer horizon. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned TSLA a buy grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned TSLA a neutral grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned TSLA an overweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned TSLA an outperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned TSLA a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. The Tesla stock demonstrates buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support can be expected from the levels at 333 and 2,747 cents. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, there's a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near short-term development. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Friday, May 16, 2025. And so far, the stock has declined by 2.31%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Move-in average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 69 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 19 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 17 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 19 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 56 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $284.95 and $282.76. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, Tesla finds support just below today's level at $284.95. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $282.76 and $272.20. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, characterized by high volatility, with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be at very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $9.62 between its highest and lowest points, which is a change of 2.89%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.89%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such elevated ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 22nd of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 410 thousandths. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In the event of an upward trend, The first resistance level for Tesla is at $342.80. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla faces its first support level at $284.95. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 9th of May 2025, Taneja Vaibhav executed an insider sell of 4,000 shares of non-qualified stock option, which provides the right to buy. On the same day, Taneja Vaibhav conducted an insider buy of 4,000 shares of common stock. Also, on the 9th of May 2025, Taneja Vaibhav executed an insider sell of 4,000 shares of common stock. On the 6th of May 2025, Denholm Robin M. executed an insider buy of 112,395 shares of common stock. On the same day, Denholm Robin M. conducted an insider sell of 5,967 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, our analysis indicates that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 54.022. Overall, insiders purchased 1,016,890 shares and sold 3,357,912 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $326.61, reflecting a decrease of 4.48%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a considerable level of risk. Furthermore, a sell signal was generated from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Tesla stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 20th of May, we expect Tesla to open lower by $2.48, starting at $339.43. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. You should not base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us at Stock Invest.